Tetanus, also called lockjaw, a serious bacterial infection that causes painful muscle spasms and can lead to death. Tetanus is a potentially fatal bacterial infection that affects the nerves. A vaccine can easily prevent the infection, which has no cure. Extremely rare. Fewer than 5,000 cases per year, in the preventable by vaccine. Treatable by a medical professional. Requires a medical diagnosis. Extremely rare. Fewer than 5,000 cases per year, in the preventable by vaccine. Treatable by a medical professional. Requires a medical diagnosis. Symptoms. Requires a medical diagnosis. Tetanus causes painful muscle contractions, particularly in the jaw and neck. It can interfere with the ability to breathe, eventually causing death. People may experience 1. Whole body, fever, high blood pressure, nervous system dysfunction, or sweating. 2. Muscular, muscle spasms, cramping, facial muscle spasms, or stiff muscles. Respiratory, episodes of no breathing or shortness of breath. Also common, lockjaw, abdominal rigidity, difficulty swallowing, drooling, fast heart rate, irritability, spasm with arched back and neck, or stiff neck. Treatments. Antibiotics. Drug type. An antibiotic is a type of antimicrobial substance active against bacteria. Drugs: metronidazole, cefoperazone, furazolidone, daptomycin, tigecycline, erythromycin. Penicillin. Drug class. Penicillins are a group of beta-lactam antibiotics originally obtained from Penicillium molds, principally P. Chrysogenum and P. Sedative. Drug grouping. A sedative or tranquilizer is a substance that induces sedation by reducing irritability or excitement. Prognosis. 10% risk of death. Frequency. 209,000, 2015. Deaths. 56,700, 2015.